Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss an update about your Instagram view counts, enabling vibration notifications is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on vibration for view count notifications on Instagram, using your phone's settings. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to the Settings app. This is where you'll find all the controls for how your apps behave on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up all the options specific to Instagram, including how you receive notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where you manage all the different alerts Instagram can send you. Look for a section called Notification Categories. Tap on it, and you'll see a variety of notification types that Instagram uses, from likes and comments to direct messages, and more. Scroll down until you find the View Counts option. Tap on it to see the detailed settings for this specific notification type. Now, you'll see an option labeled Vibrate. Simply toggle this option on. Once it's enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you get a notification about your Instagram view counts. That's it. You've now set up vibration alerts for view count notifications on Instagram. This way, you'll always get a gentle buzz whenever there's an update, even if your phone is on silent. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow these same steps and toggle the Vibrate option back off. Customizing your notifications like this helps you stay connected to what matters most without missing a beat. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new notification setup.